Want to make money online in 2026? Forget get-rich-quick schemes. Here are 5 realistic ways you can start building online income. Visual. Young American man working on a laptop. Fast shots of freelancing, YouTube, affiliate marketing, digital products, and online services. Number 1. Freelancing. If you can edit videos, design graphics, write code, or manage social media, you can sell your skills to clients online. Start with small projects, build a portfolio, get reviews, and gradually increase your rates. Visual, video editing, graphic design, coding, client messages, completed projects, online payment. Number 2, YouTube. You don't need to show your face. Create useful videos about technology, finance, tutorials, education, entertainment, or other topics people want to watch. Focus on strong topics, thumbnails, titles, and consistent uploads. Visual, topic research, video editing, thumbnail creation, YouTube analytics, increasing views and subscribers. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Recommend useful products or services using affiliate links. When someone makes a qualifying purchase through your link, you may earn a commission. Focus on products that actually provide value. Visual, product research, product comparison, affiliate links, social media promotion, commission dashboard. Number 4, digital products. Create books, templates, spreadsheets, designs, guides, or other digital products that solve a specific problem. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly online. Visual, creating an ebook, designing templates, uploading digital products, online store, customer purchase. Number 5, online services. Learn one valuable skill such as video editing, thumbnail design, virtual assistants, social media management, or AI-assisted content creation. Then offer that skill to creators and businesses. Visual, learning a skill, practicing, working with clients, completing projects. Remember, making money online isn't instant. Pick one skill, practice it, create real value, and find your first customer. Start small, stay consistent, and improve every day. Visual. Young man completes his first project, receives a client message, smiles, and cinematic camera zooms out. Final one-screen text. Learn, create, help people get paid.
Learn, create, help people, and get paid.